Brian Schiller, DUBRO Fishing. Welcome back. Wanted to talk to you guys about some of our release clips here. We have the Downrigger release clip, the Kite release clip, Outrigger release clip, and the Downrigger cable release. So this is how all four of these work. We'll start with the Downrigger release. This would attach, the top eye here would attach to the cable on your downrigger. Your downrigger ball could be added and changed out with the snap clip here at the bottom. And your line is going to go through this upper release clip here. So you have the easy adjust knob on all four of these release clips that when the fish hits, this wire is going to pop up, allowing your line to basically run out and catch your fish. So you're basically going to set your line in there like so. So that way, as you're trolling along and the fish hits, it pops out. And again, you can adjust how much tension is on this thicker wire with this easy adjust thumb screw. This guy here is got our spring that is very much like our flag clips here. So you can add these two hooked clips to your kite line and have your line again running off the release clip here. The beauty of this thing as well is you could also clip this somewhere along your downrigger cable as well to have a slider line basically. So you're running two lines off of one downrigger. Outrigger, same thing. You're going to put this in your outrigger cables. That way, you know, a lot of our saltwater customers love this thing for running outriggers out on the salt. The downrigger cable release, kind of like what I was talking about with the kite release, is this is going to act like a slider line. So basically, you have a small hole here that your downrigger cable will run through. You can tighten this up, add crimps or a rubber band or somewhere along your downrigger cable to set your depth for this. And then again, you have your easy adjust tension. You're going to pop that open. When you're setting your lines, put your line through it like so. Put the clip back into place. As this drops down in the water column, your lure is back here trolling. Fish hits lure, and that's going to pop the release open, allowing you to reel in the fish. Those are our release clips from DUBRO Fishing.